Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and welcome to Learning Acrylics. This Tuesday we are doing a fall manicure. I have went ahead and laid the acrylic, the foundations myself. As you see, we have got 3 brown and 2 orange. These both are products of the Nail Junkie. I don't know where I put them. The brown is Teddy and the orange is Orange Blossom. They are beautiful. You see the way that orange sparkles? And they haven't even been encapsulated yet. So we're going to be putting glitter on the middle finger here, and then some leaves on the thumb and pinky, and a piece of bling on the other 2. For the glitter, I'm using this beautiful, beautiful mix by Charlie's Nail Art. And this is Bonfire Night Hexagon Mix. I'm not sure how I want to do it. I guess it's best bet's to encapsulate. I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. I'm not going to using the stencil glue by She Modern. I'm going to put a coat of this on the nail. We are going to encapsulate the leaves. So don't you worry, my pretties. We're not done with the acrylic yet. So now I'm going to do, I hope I was in the lamp, I put a layer of glue gel on, the stencil glue gel. Pop that in the lamp for a minute, 60 seconds. So I'm going to take some of the clear acrylic, I'm just going to place it on the nail. I'm going to get some leaves. And place them on the nail. Hopefully they will stay put. Shoot. There. Then we go for that nail. We are going to finish encapsulating the brown nails. Can't jump around when you're doing acrylics. So I'm going to get me a really nice bead of the crystal clear acrylic by Afro Glam Nails. You can find them on Instagram. I got this. I won one of their giveaways during the summer. And I really, really like this acrylic. It is very much crystal clear, just like the name says. I forgot to plug my green light. My ring light in. So we're holding the nail down, letting the acrylic flow to encapsulate all of the leaves. Come on, flow. Come on, flow. We're going to give us a little bead here for the tip of the nail. Whoops. Pardon what? We are now going to leave the acrylic and get the glitter. We are going to be pouring some glitter here now, folks. We will be encapsulating the glitter. I'm just going to take it, pour it over the nail. This is a lot of glitter, folks. And more than I bargained for. So I'm going to press it down into the glue. There's some pieces that need to come off along the sides. So you want to try and tuck them in as much as you can. I'm going to encapsulate the orange nails while we are waiting. I think this orange is just beautiful, and again it is called Orange Blossom. And you can get that from the Nail Junkie. She has got some gorgeous, gorgeous mixes. If you ever want to order, let me know. I am a brand ambassador. I will put my code across the bottom of the screen here and throughout the video. It is NaileditQueen. The N and the Q are capitalized. But I'll help you if you need it to place an order. If you need to get a hold of her. We're holding the nail down. I'm going to fold this napkin because of the glitter. I'm going to feather the top back a little bit. Trying to make sure there's no acrylic left on the underside. I'm going to go in with one more bead at the tip. Or for the tip. There we go. Hope I've been in frame. If I haven't, I'm truly sorry. Tap off a little bit of her. Look at that glitter. That is stunning. Again, that's by Charlie's Nail Art. I'm a brand ambassador for that company as well. Nailed it 10, all caps. Save yourself 10% off. This is not big enough bead for anything. Ah, man. Try to get you a decent sized bead when you're encapsulating the letters here. So you want these really, really encapsulated well. You don't want nothing sticking up at you. Nothing poking back up at you. So we are going to hopefully let gravity take over. Oy vey. I feel like I've went in for 4 big beads here. Check it out. So we go back in, I think, for just one more. One more. Should be our last and final bead. I think that looks beautiful. Sorry if I've been out of frame a whole lot. I've not been paying attention. Just trying to make sure that the glitter was fully encapsulated with the acrylic. Check this one. I want to put a little bit more on over here. Whoops. Let this slow down the nail. Help just a little bit over there. Make sure we are doing good. I think we're good. Now we just have to let these set where they can be filed and buffed. I have filed and we are now ready for top coat. I think these turned out really super cute. I am going to use iGel Beauty's No Cleanse Top Coat. I've had this bottle for a while, so the label is pretty much rubbed off. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. I'd greatly appreciate it. If this is your first time here, please leave a comment so I know that you were here. I think these are splendid. I love seeing a freshly buffed acrylic nail come to life. Just love it. Love that orange. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Just love it. And here is our glitter nail. Just beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to ask that you leave a comment down below with your thoughts. But we're not quite there yet. Soon. There we go. Look at this, isn't that stunning? Very stunning fall manicure. We're gonna pop these in the lamp. Whoops. One more thing. One more thing. Not that. There we go. There. Now I'm going to pop them in the lane. Give these a full 60 seconds to cook in the oven. Please leave me a comment down below with your thoughts. I think these turned out really, really super cute. I really do. And not just because I did them. Between the orange, the leaves on Teddy, that's what the brown is called, is Teddy. The orange is Orange Blossom. And we have got our bonfire glitter nail from Charlie's Nail Arts. A lot of companies involved here. So leave me a comment down below with your thoughts. Whoops, sorry about that. Please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. I appreciate your presence here. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.